You gotta go.
Alright, boys.
Let's go.
Peace time.
Right to the point, boys.
Fuck it. You know what? Just run to the point. Just walk to the point. Go, 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 go.
Go,
Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Come on, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Go,
Take the
go,
point,
go,
take the
go,
point. Go, 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 go.
I used my Samwiz1's sweater from like 2019 on the brass.
By the way, it's Brass Beast versus Brass Beast.
Let's go.
Oh my god!
Here we go.
This is worse than the sniper round. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Alright, I can get Brass Beast for just a second.
Each team is allowed one engineer.
Yeah, one engineer. The rest, Brass Beast heavy.
I see 2 spies. I'm seeing 2 spies and a scout.
Yeah, we have a bit of a mixed mishmash here.
That is because I hate Steinhausen.
No, you gotta play. Hey, GG pizza good.
No,
Hey, yo,
no
admin,
thanks.
where'd you order the pizza from?
I will help. I am your dispenser. I am your dispenser
Local.
only.
Ooh, that's good pizza right there. Not one of those like name brand.
Yes, local pizza is the best pizza.
I'm actually thinking about ordering from my local pizza joint tomorrow.
Local pizza stores
I
are
don't think I have a
definitely the
local
best
pizza
ones.
joint.
If you buy from, if you genuinely like Domino's,
I am your dispenser. I am your dispenser.
I don't care what people enjoy as long as it's not pineapple.
I am your
like
dispenser.
with like ranch, not ranch,
Ranch? Where you eat ranch with your? That's kind of grody.
I am a living dispenser.
I don't understand why people like pizza with ranch so much. It's weird.
Yeah, my older sister used to do that when they were younger.
Go, 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 go!
Yes, way better. Mm-hmm.
No.
Oh no, they're taking the point, lads.
Bam, just crafted a Brass Beast.
Somebody crafted it. Dude, that's really dedication right there.
Dude. Can we get a fucking GG in the chat for the guy who crafted the Brass Beast?
Yo!
That's some dedication right there. Holy fuck.
Freaking legend. Just for
your
your
man joke. Nice job actually spending time to practice.
This is beautiful. There you go, heavies. Look at them go. They are like centuries.
Hey, no, bad. Get away, spy. No.
Hang on. Okay, we're getting too much diversity here. We got a gentleman, a soldier. What's this?
Yeah, we're getting way too diverse here. Brass Beast only heavy. And like 2
It's kind
NGs.
of racist, but
That's team comp. That's team comp right now.
This is the ethno state.
Nah, I don't really feel like it.
Yes.
Oh no, I lost it.
I crave anarchy.
Oh my god, where?
This is actual insanity. See, if we had just gone with the engineer idea, it'd be a lot better.
is it gonna be like another?
As long as they capture the point, then they win, and then we lose.
Take the point, lads. Don't let them take it back.
Pow. Alright, next round.
We did it.
Guys, oh, we're scrambling teams too. Alright, next round, everybody's gonna go NG with the Kamehameha weapon.